How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to request your data export to retrieve deleted conversations. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Next, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on Settings at the top. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom. Moving forward, tap on Account Center. Afterwards, tap on your information and permissions. In addition to that, tap on Access Your Information. Once there, you'll see blue highlighted text that says Export Your Info in Account Center. Subsequently, tap on that link and it will open in your browser. Moreover, select Messenger as the app you want to download data from. Afterwards, choose the date range and file format, then tap Create Export. Then wait for Facebook to process your request, which may take a few days. Within the export file, you'll be able to view your deleted messages once it's ready. And that's it. If this recovery guide helped you retrieve your Messenger data, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.